Not funny.
Let me put tape on it.
Now can I do it?
Yep, so explain that you're going to put the days.
Yeah, so this is number 1, and we have calendar, and some people at school, as I said the last time, some people at school don't have these these don't look the same at your school. So and so what we're going to be doing today is putting stuff on the linear calendar.
Good job, Kenny.
But some people at school do not have. Some people at school have a square one, but this is kind of like a
Rectangle, yes.
rectangle square one.
It's a little different, yep.
It's a little different at like kind of at your school and stuff. And I wrote this.
And tell us what the board says.
But the board says here, so this says, what does this say?
It says linear calendar.
Linear calendar.
And it says Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
And it says love.
Love. Because it's kind of spring when it gets to Easter. But it's still the winter looks yucky.
Yeah. Today's not like really sunny. No.
No. But sometimes when it's Easter, it looks beautiful. You can go to the beach and it's summer. But yeah.
Okay, so why don't we go? So Kenzie's starting off with number 1. That was April 1st. So we're going to catch up a little bit. Then we would go to April 2nd.
This is 2. And
show everybody what the 2 looks like.
This is the 2. And if you don't know how to draw 2, this is how you draw 2. A 2. But if you make it upside down like this, that's okay. You just erase it with maybe your hand or maybe a tissue paper. But water will not work. This is how you write it too.
Good job, Kenz.
That's really good.
Okay, so
if you
now
make it backwards, that's okay. Okay. And number 1 is just like, is it uppercase L?
Kind of like an L.
Number 1 looks like an uppercase L, but it's really not. It's number 1. But some people write it like this. Kind of like that. But some kids write it like this, just like an uppercase L.
Okay, so you put number 1, 2, so here's a 3.
Number 3. But some people write their 3 like this. So this is how you really write a 3. Like that. But some people write it like this, but some people do it backwards. It looks like a squiggly line. That's okay. Just write it. It's not.
Auntie.
No, it's not. It's Nana.
Okay, put this.
And you can see
so we have 1,
linear calendar.
2, 3.
We're writing it with green. And this is number 4. So number 4 kind of looks like it's a line down, same like a L. This way, same like a lowercase L. This way, doesn't look like anything now. This
Good job, Ken.
That's how you write it.
Nice
So,
job doing the
for
steps.
1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to move on to 5. Okay?
But first we put the 4 up on the calendar.
This is
So we went by April 4 already.
We went by April 4 already. Now number 5. So you write this. Make it out. Uppercase out. Now like this. And like that. And release it. And then it's going to be a tiny one. That's how you write one more. And that's how you write 4. But we're writing, oh, I'll take it off. We're writing this in green. If you don't have a green, that's okay. And you want to make it a green, but that's okay. You can change the deals and change it to pink. Pink paper.
6.
Orange paper. 6. That's the number 6. This is how you write the number 6.
So 6 was Monday.
And this is kind of like upside down, but it has to stay upside down. That's why it's a tricky number. 100 is a really tricky number to write. If you write it like this, a 1, a 0, and a 0, and a 0, that's okay. You can just watch and see what the teacher's doing. Say, oh, a 0 and another 0. It's just 2. Because that's a 3-digit number.
It is a 3-digit number. Good job, Kenny. All right, so 6
Yeah.
comes after 4.
There is 4-digit numbers, but we're in kindergarten. We don't do 4-digit numbers. But if you're in kindergarten,
7.
if you're in kindergarten and you do 4-digit numbers, that's okay. That's what some people do. And this is how you write the number 7. 7. This. Like that. That's really fun. If you don't know how to make a 7 and you do it like this, that's okay. It kind of looks like one. Oh, there you go. That's how you write one. Now we're going to put it up. Oh, they all come off. They're sticky. That's why they come off. Number 7. If you stick it on some numbers, that's okay. Because some are tiny and they don't stick on other ones.
Next.
It's 8.
Today.
That was number 8. Today. This is how you write numbers. Like that. This is how you write 8.
Good job making the 8, Ken.
8.
Just stick that up on the board.
Mm-hmm.
And then Kenzie's going to show you where we would put Good Friday first.
This is Good
Friday. So that one's going to go 2 spots over
2 spots over. What?
from the 8.
What is that day?
So that is on the 10th. So on the 10th.
This is how you write number 10. 10.
So
That's really good.
not in the 9. So go to 8. Not that one, but it's going to go down in the down box. Over to the left. To the left. Left. No, other way. One more over. To the right. Nope. To the right. Other way.
This way?
One more.
This one?
Nope. Other way.
This way?
One more to the right. And one more. Yep. Perfect. So where Kenzie put Good Friday shows us that in 2 days it will be Good Friday.
Yeah.
And then in the same lower numbers where she put Good Friday, that on that row is where she's going to put the Happy Easter square. So that's going to go on 12.
Wow. This is how you write a 12. 1 and then a 2.
Good, Kenzie.
You really know how to make 2s.
So Kenny's going to show us that next to the Good Friday one, 2 over from that. So
Okay.
1, exactly.
Okay.
And that one shows us that on the 12th, it is an Easter.
Easter.
So it's a holiday, special day.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's on the 10th.
Yes. So this way it's a little easier for...
No, it's on the 10th, so we have to erase this.
Yeah, you were right. 10, you put 10.
No, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2.
Well, we didn't add the numbers yet because we didn't get to those days yet.
9, 10. That was on the 10th. So I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.